We didn't actually start by building data centers. We started by addressing the question of data and working with countries to understand what data do you have, in what format is it, and how much compute do you really need? What is the minimum viable compute infrastructure that you need to be able, as a country, to process that data? And that brought us to really think about data center in a different way than a lot of the narratives that has been pushed to us for the past couple of years, where a lot of countries do not have the necessary power, energy, connectivity, and money to be able to build large-scale $100 billion level infrastructure. So in that context, we actually realized that we could build containerized data centers. So think about it as micro compute nodes that really goes into supporting that minimum viable compute that governments need to address the first needs around data sovereignty and residency without actually having to overspend on the investment in the compute. And that goes towards also supporting the local communities. So think about developers who need access to that compute to be able to train those models. Think about researchers who also need access to that compute to advance local research in their countries. And we've now done this in Kenya for ourselves and opened an AI hub a couple of weeks ago in Nairobi. And we've also deployed the large-scale compute infrastructure for Barbados, so for the entire country, from the compute all the way down to the data sets.